Let's quickly jump to the next question and answer for foundation. Question number 226 says, which is the key activity of the identify process in the permanent P3O office? Assessing the current state of the P3O provision. Option B, deliver the new capability. Option C, planning trenches in the delivery. Analyze the stakeholder and planning the communication. So identify is the first stage. So I believe A would be the most correct because delivery, that is the third stage we are doing. Delivery capability, realize benefits. That's again part of your delivery capability. Analyze stakeholder planning, that is your defined stage. So I believe A would be the correct answer in identify stage. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Question number 220 says, which is insufficient support to utilize recruit required skill in relation to the implementing of the P3O? Common barrier, yeah, it may be possible. To agreeing mandate, that's not the correct. Underlying success factor, certainly not. Principle for extracting value for program and project investment, not the correct answer. Source for threat to achieve the blueprint, that is the correct answer because you are not providing the required skills, so that may be the threat. You are not able to achieve your blueprint, so that's the correct answer. Question number 228 says, which is an activity of deliver process within a permanent P3O lifecycle? Conduct a formal post-implementation review. Okay. Design the implementation plan to deliver every critical improvement. Okay. Monitor the rate of change in the PPM community and define future state of the P3O. So I believe C, closely monitor the what process is going on and P3O maturity. That is the correct answer we do in a deliver the things. Question number 229 says, which activity first occurs during the define process in the permanent P3O model lifecycle? Option A, understand how stakeholder currently review P3O functions, provide an outline vision of the required change P3O functions provide, deliver enhanced P3O capability, determine in future detailed process P3O will operate. So I believe D would be the most correct answer, where we are detailed out how the future things can be operate in the defined stage. So that is the correct answer. That activity occurs in defined process like team establishment, improvement team, stakeholder identify, analyze stakeholder, vision statement will be further redefined, blueprint development done, benefits develop, model and validate in the benefit, business case will be further detailed out with including risk, and plan to identify stages and trenches, what we do in a defined stage. So that will give you a more clarity. You can pause here and reread this justification. Question number 230 says, what should document in a blueprint process section? So there are four sections: processes, organization, technology, and information. They ask what should be document in a process section of the P3O model. So need for business case for mission critical program to be reported to the portfolio board. That may be the process, so you can document that. Option B, benefit profiles, individual benefits to be delivered by the P3O. That is not the process. Transition plan from implement of business change into a business usual. That certainly the process, that again you can draft. That might be correct. Actual highlight report issued by individual project. That is not a process. So I believe there are two processes. Need of business case for a mission critical program to be reported to portfolio board. Again, if you read both option A and option C carefully, here it is not the process. There is a need or justification they had provided, where here they had clearly indicate transition plan for implementation of business change to business as well. That is process. So I believe C is the most correct answer over here, but no, it's not. It's A is the correct answer. Need for a business case for mission critical program to be reported to the portfolio board. Okay, let's read the justification. P3O blueprint extend which reports are created at the portfolio level, program level, or project level by transition management, and the typical information flow between the P3O model and the senior management and the wider organization. So in that sense, they mention the need for a business case mission critical program to be reported at the portfolio level, the information flow that they had mentioned. So yes, that is the process segment. And transition plan from implementation of changes to a business usual, that again you can document, but it is not that mission critical. So I believe A would be the most correct answer. Thank you very much.